So as you can see, my cat is already in the bathtub. Oh, no, never mind, he's getting out. Too much water in there for you, Kyo? So these are the boxers. Yeah, they're rather small. And of course, smiley faces, because my mom is a smiley face freak. So anyway, you probably can't hear me very well because of the water. Yeah, this is our bathroom. This is how much of a smiley face person my mom is. See our shower curtain? Smiley faces. Look at Kyo for a while. Kyo! He's cute, isn't he? Little shithead, though. So, hopefully, this is enough water. So, let us see.
Does it not say?
No, it doesn't say how much water. Maybe it's not hot enough.